So plus integration of 3 e power x into dx. Clear? Integration of 3 e power x into dx. Now I can write like this. So integration of constant into something into dx, this constant will comes out of the integration. Therefore this constant will comes out of the integration. So 2 into 1 by x dx plus here 3 also comes out of the integration. Therefore 3 into integration of e power x dx. Now integration of 1 by x dx value is how much? Integration of 1 by x dx. Yeah, 2 into log x. Or equal to 2 into log x plus 3 into integration of e power x dx is e power x only. So if you want to add the, this integrational equation, integration constant is c. So what is the integration constant means? Integration constant is c. Are you clear? So this is the first question. Now the second one is, integration of 4 sin x plus 3 cos 3x into dx. So this is the second question. Clear? This is the second question. Now in this we can write like this. So integration of 4 sin 4x into dx plus integration of 3 cos 3x into dx. So we can write like this. So that is 4 into integration of sine 4x. Remember integration of sine nx formula we discussed in the last class. That formulas, what is that means? Minus cos nx by n. Therefore this is minus cos nx by n. Therefore this can be written as sine 4x by 4. Now cancel 4 and 4. Minus cos. Now, in the same way, integration of cos 3x can be taken as 3 into, are you clear? Integration of cos 3x is sine 3x by 3. Now, cancel 3 and 3 plus c. Okay. Now, what is the final answer? Minus 4, 4 will be cancelled. Therefore, minus cos 4x plus, this is sine 3x plus c. So, this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the next question is, third one, cube root of x. Remember, cube root of x means x power 1 by 3. Clear? Cube root of x means x power 1 by 3. So what is the question they given means cube root of x plus 4x to the power of 5 plus 6x to the power of 6. So plus 4x to the power of 5 plus 6x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 4 dx. This is the value we need to find out. Now listen, we won't have the formula here. On the numerator we have one parameter or one variables. On the denominator we have another variable. Now remember, we don't have the formula like u by v. So integration of u by v formula is not there. Therefore, this term you need to modify in a single equation or a linear equation. Then we can find out easily. Now listen, I will do this. I will modify this equation like this. X to the power of 1 by 3 plus 4x to the power of 5 plus 6x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 4 dx. I can write like this. Are you clear? Now listen, if I take each and every term, then each and every term can be written like this: x to the power of 1 by 3 divided by x to the power of 4 plus 4 into x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 4 plus 6 into x to the power of 6 by x to the power of 4 into dx. Now you can take the cancellation. If you take the cancellation, what is this values means? X to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, it will cancel for 4 times. Therefore, x will be remaining. So it will cancel for, therefore here 2 times will be remaining. And if it goes to the numerator, then x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 4. So x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 4 is 1 minus 12 by 3, that is equal to minus 11 by 3. Clear? What is that value means? Minus 11 by 3. Now I will write like this. Clear? I'll write like this. That is integration of x to the power of minus 11 by 3 plus, I will write this as 4x plus 6x square into dx. Understood? Now each and every term you just separate. If you separate each and every term, then integration of x to the power of minus 11 by 3 into dx plus integration of 4x into dx plus integration of 6x square into dx. Now it looks like x to the power of n dx, but in the place of n we have 11 by 3 minus 11 by 3. Now we know that integration of x power n dx value is n x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. You know this formula. Clear? So you know this formula. Now according to that formula, if I expand each and every term, then the values will be like this. Clear? According to the term, if I expand each and every formula, the value will be like this. So this can be taken as x to the power of minus 11 by 3 plus 1 by, what is this value means, minus 11 by 3 plus 1. This is the first term. Are you clear? So this is the first term. Now what is the second term means? Second term is 4 into x to the power of n. So n value is 1 here. So integration of x dx, clear, integration of x dx. Now remember, in integration of x dx, what is the n value means? N value is 1. So if n value is 1, then x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is x square by 2. Therefore, what is integration of x dx means? X square by 2 plus what is this value means? 6x cube by 3. Why? Because x to the power of n. So in the place of n we have 1. Clear? In the place of n we have 1. Therefore, x to the power of 2 dx can be taken as x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to x cube by 3. Therefore, this is 6 into x cube by 3 plus integration constant, that is c. Now cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now this can be taken as x to the power of minus 11 plus 1 by 3. That is how much ma? This can be taken as minus 8 by 3 divided by this value is also minus 8 by 3 plus 2x square plus 2x cube plus c. I hope you understood this one. Nothing is there. We added this 2. So we took the LCM of minus 11 by 3 plus 1. Minus 11 by 3 plus 1 is minus 11 plus 3 by 3. That is minus 8 by 3. So then 3 goes to the numerator. Then minus 3 by 8 into x to the power of minus 8 by 3 plus 2x square plus 2x cube plus c. So this is the answer. Now remember, you should require the minimum basic mathematical knowledge to solve the derivations in physics. Okay. So once again, if you have doubts in your lowest standard, you already learn all these things. Power formulas, x to the power of m by x to the power of n, what is that value? X to the power of m into x to the power of n, what is the value? You already learn in your lower standard. So please, once you refer, if you refer, then in physics, derivations is very simple. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. Yeah. Now I'll go for the next question. So question number 4. Question number 4. The question number 4 is integration of minus 2 to 4. So integration of minus 2 to 4, 3t plus 5 into dt. Now expand minus 2 to 4, 3t into dt plus integration of minus 2 to 4, 5 into dt. Are you clear? Now I can write like this, 3 into integration of minus 2 to 4 t into dt. So integration of t into dt, it looks like sec into dx. Therefore, we can write this as 3 into t square by 2. Between the limits, what are the limits? 4, 2. Okay, 4 minus 2. Plus next term, 5 into integration of dt minus 2 to 4. Plus you can write this as integration of 1 dt value is t. Therefore, 5 into t between the limits 4 to minus 2. Clear? Between the limits 4 to minus 2. Now substitute the limits. So bring this 2 out of this function, then you have 3 by 2 into first substitute first value, that is 4 square, minus second value substitute, that is minus 2 whole square. So first you have to substitute the upper value minus lower value. So first you have to substitute the upper value minus lower value, plus 5 into upper value 4 minus lower value minus 2. Clear? Upper value is 4, lower value is minus 2. Now what is this value? 3 by 2 into, this is 4 square is 16 minus minus 2 whole square, that is 4, plus this is 5 into 4 minus into minus, that is plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 3 by 2 into 16 minus 4, that is 12. Clear? 16 minus 4, that is 12, plus this is 5 into 4 plus 2, that is 6. Now cancel 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 3s are 18, plus 5 6 are 30, that is equal to 48. So 48 is the answer. Now if you have doubts, you can ask me. Then question number 5, it's very simple. Question number 5, it is very simple. Integration of 1 to 1 by x dx. Very simple question. Now you can write this as, that is equal to log x, integration of 1 by x dx value is what? Log x to 1. So first you have to substitute upper limit and then lower limit. So first upper limit if you substitute means log 2 minus lower limit, that is log 1. So log a minus log b. Clear? Log a minus log b, what is it value? Means log of a by b, that is equal to log 2. This is the answer. Okay, so you can take base e also, no problem. Okay, you can take base e also, no problem. Yeah, fine. Now listen, the next question is d by dx of 6x minus 4 whole square. Okay, d by dx of 6x minus 4 whole square. Now listen, you can do this problem in two ways. What is the first way? Means take the square of it. If you take 6x minus 4 whole square, that is 6x whole square plus 4 square minus 2 into 6 into 4 into x. So expand it in the form of a minus b whole square, and then you can do the differentiation, or else. So this is square. For square, it's not a big problem. For example, if we have more power, for example, 6x minus 4 whole to the power of 6, at that time it is difficult to expand the entire equation, right? So in such cases, we can use the formula d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So what is the formula for d by dx of x power n? So the formula for d by dx of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. I already told such kind of problems. Now remember, this entire term look like some value into power n. So some value into power n. Therefore, I will take this value as, let us say, y. So y can be taken as 6x minus 4. Clear? Let us take y as 6x minus 4, or else you can take capital X or any letter you wish. Any letter you can take. So I will take y as 6x minus 4. Remember, this kind of problems are a bit difficult, so please try to understand. So y is equal to 6x minus 4. Now I will write like this, d by dx of, what is this y? Means that y is y square. Are you clear? 6x minus 4 can be taken as what? Y square. Now it looks like d by dx of x power n. Clear? It looks like d by dx of what? X power n. What is the value of d by dx of x power n? Yeah, what is d by dx of x power n formula? D by dx of x power n formula. Yeah, n into x to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, I will write like this, n into x to the power of n minus 1. But here we didn't consider x. If you take x only, we have the formula. So we consider, that's why here is y. But actually this is not x. Therefore, I will take d by dx of y again. Are you clear? I will take d by dx of y again. Are you clear, ma? Understood? Now listen, what is this value means 2 into, in the place of y, substitute 6x minus 4, 2 power 1 is 1 only. Are you clear? Into d by dx of, actually here we have to take x. If you take x, d by dx of x is 1. But we consider that value as capital X or y. In your solution, I given capital X. So capital X or y, that is your wish. Are you clear? So I took this as y. You can take capital X also, no problem. For example, here I considered another parameter y or capital X. But we have the formula only for small x. Are you clear? So therefore, I will substitute this y value again. So what is that y value means 6x minus 4. Now you can write like this. So 2 into 6x minus 4 into, I will separately write this again. What is this value means d by dx of 6x minus d by dx of 4. Are you clear? Very good, ma. Very good, Prithvi. Now this can be taken as 2 into 6x minus 4 into 6 will comes out of the differentiation. If 6 comes out of the differentiation, d by dx of x. Are you clear? Minus d by dx of 4 is how much? D by dx of 4, 0. Why? Because d by dx of constant is equal to 0. So what is the formula for constant? D by dx of constant is equal to how much? 0. Constant means numbers are all constants. We already discussed in the dimensionless variables and dimensionless constants. So all the numbers are constants. Therefore, d by dt of 4 is equal to 0, which is a constant. Now I will write 6 into 2, that is 12. Clear? 6 into 2, that is 12 into 6x minus 4. Are you clear? Now d by dx of x is 1. So this is the final answer. Okay. So this is the final answer. Now seventh question. They given displacement equation. What is the equation of displacement means? So what is the displacement equation means? 2t cube plus 4t. Yeah, very good, Mashilpa. Very good. Correct. So 2t cube minus 4t. Now what they asked in the question means, v is the velocity. That velocity v can be taken as dx by dt. Clear? That velocity can be taken as dx by dt. So dx by dt, if you find out, means d by dt of what is the x value? 2 cube minus 4t, 2t cube minus 4t. Or if the 2t cube minus 4t. Then velocity v can be taken as d by dt of 2 cube tt cube minus d by dt of 4t. Now 2 will comes out of the differentiation, then 2 into d by dt of t cube minus 4 into d by dt of t. So we already discussed that if constant is there, constant take out of the differentiation. Clear? If constant is there, take constant out of the differentiation. Now remember, how much you prepare the differentiation formulas, physics is that much simple. If you want to prepare or if you want to learn physics in an easy way, please, my sincere request, please prepare integration and differentiation formulas which I given. Okay, for physics that is enough. For physics that is enough. So please, my humble request, my sincere request, humble request, please by heart or prepare, learn that integration and differentiation formulas. Okay, because all the derivations will be based on integration and differentiation formulas only. There is no doubt at all. If you prepare that formulas, physics is simple. If you didn't prepare, keep in mind, physics is tough. So please prepare integration and differentiation formulas, no problem. Even though it is 10 days, no problem. Prepare first differentiation and integration formulas. If you prepare integration and differentiation formulas, my presence is not required. Are you clear? If you observe the textbook itself, you will get all the derivations. Okay, so to explain the concept, I need, so all the derivations will be based on that integration and differentiation formulas only. So please, my request, my sincere request, my humble request, please practice the formulas. Without formulas, you can't do the problems. Without the problems, you can't do the derivations also. Okay, some students are telling, sir, it is very difficult to remember all these formulas, sir. We can't do more. In physics, all the derivations based on differentiations only. Are you clear? So without language, without Kannada language, can you communicate with others? So language is very important, right? So maths is also language to the physics. So please, no problem. Take 10 days or 20 days or 1 month. First you prepare the differentiation and integration formulas. Okay. Once you prepare the differentiation and integration formulas, later you will only feel physics is this much simpler. Because everything will be based on differentiation and integration formulas only. If you prepare the differentiation and integration formulas, I am telling you, physics is very simple. Yeah, why I took dy by dx again means, for this we don't have the formula. 6x minus 4 doesn't have the formula. So you have the formula like d by dx of x to the power of n. X is a variable. No need to take x. You can take any number. So you can take any number. For example, my name is Vinay. I like V letter very much. I will take like this also. D by dx of V power n. Now V is a variable. Are you clear? V is a variable. So V is a variable. Therefore, you can write like this, n into V power n minus 1. Now here the differentiation element is x, the function is V. That's why again we have to take a dV by dx. For example, if it is like this, d by dx of x power n, then n into x power n minus 1 into, here the function is also x, element is also x. Therefore, this can be taken as d by dx of x. So d by dx of x is 1. We already know that. That's why we'll neglect this formula. Actually, in the formula, strictly speaking, here again you will get d by dx of x. But what is d by dx of x? What is d by dx of x? 1. That's why we are neglecting this. If you take this is D, I will take any other letter. Clear? I will take any other letter. For example, R. So Rohit. So D by dx of R power n. Clear? Okay, Rohit. So D by dx of R power n, where R is a variable. Where R is a variable. Then at that time, n R into x n power minus 1 into dr by dx. So same thing I did. So instead of this 6x minus 4, I will take it as y. Why? Because means we don't have this formula directly. We don't have this formula directly. That's why I took d 6x minus 4 as any other letter. So no problem, your name is Rohit, take R. So no problem, your name is Rohit, therefore take R. So you can take this as R power minus 2. You can take this as dr by dx. But what is R value means this value. But R is a variable. Understood, ma? Understood, ma, Rohit? Yeah. Same problems will be repeated in mathematics also. Okay. So if you found here easy, then in mathematics you will feel much more easy. Now you can take this as 2 into d by dt of t cube value is how much? Yeah, very good. 3 into t power 3 minus 2, that is 3t square. Minus 4 into d by dt of t is 1. That is 3 2s are 6. So 6t square minus 4. This is the value. Clear? 6t square minus 4. This is the value. Sorry, it is given plus 4. Sorry. Plus 4. Right? Now what they given in the answer means, what is the velocity at time t is equal to 0? So velocity at time t equal to 0 means substitute t is equal to 0. So v we got as, clear, v we got as 6t square minus 4. Substitute t is equal to 0. Therefore 6 into 0 square plus 4, that is 4 meter per second. So this is the answer. 4 is the answer. Now another point also they asked what is that means acceleration. Another point also they asked what is that acceleration. So how to find out the acceleration means for that also they given the formula a is equal to dv by dt. That is a is equal to d by dt of what is the v value. V value just now we calculated 60 square plus 4. Now again take like this d by dt of 60 square plus d by dt of 4. So d by dt of 60 square is how much? D by dt of 60 square, then I will write it as 6 into d by dt of t square, that is 2t, plus d by dt of 4, that is 0. Why? Because differentiation of constant is 0. So this is how much more? 12t. So acceleration a is equal to 12t. Now what they asked, the acceleration at time t is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 12 into 0, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now next problem is very simple. My next problem is very simple. D by dx of root of 4th root x. So d by dx of 4th root x. D, we have the formula for d by dx of 4th root x. Do we have the formula? No. So what we have to do means we have to do like this. So d by dx of, I will take this as x power 1 by 4. Now we have the formula, right? Now we have the formula. What is that formula? D by dx of x to the power of n. Clear? D by dx of x to the power of n. Now what is the formula for d by dx of x to the power of n? So n into x to the power of n minus 1. Now you can take like this d by dx of x power n formula. I will write in this way, that is equal to n value 1 by 4 x to the power of 1 by 4 minus 1. That is 1 by 4 into x to the power of, what is this value? 1 minus 4 by 4. If you take LCM, then this value is 1 by 4 into x to the power of minus 3 by 4. So this is the answer. Please prepare formulas at least. If you don't know how to solve, no problem. You will learn in mathematics. At least prepare formulas. At least prepare formulas. Then physics is very simple. Clear? Very simple. So at least prepare formulas. Integration, differentiation. In that also, mainly integration formulas, differentiation formulas, logarithm formulas. I given logarithms formulas also. These three, if you prepare, then most of the derivations in the physics covers these formulas only. Okay, you just see in the upcoming lesson, I will use entirely differentiations. Clear? I will use entirely differentiations. And in second track, SAR is explaining, right? In that track, everything is based on integrations. In second track is completely integration. First track is completely based on differentiation. So please, integrations and differentiations, don't neglect. Now the next question is, so even though if you don't know how to solve the problems, yeah, you want more and more problems for practice, because remember, without this differentiation and integration, even though you learn physics, surely you will get doubts. Surely you will get doubts. That too, it is an online class. Okay, shall I give more and more problems? Or else we'll do one thing, you'll do one thing. You just by heart, write 5 times on the paper. Each formula just write 5 times on the paper. Integration and differentiation, logarithm. These 3 formulas is enough. Integration, differentiation, logarithm. So integration, differentiation, logarithm. These 3 problems are enough. So this week also examination I will give on integration, differentiation, logarithm. Okay. This week also I will give problems on integration, differentiation, and logarithms. Yeah, fine. Remember, if you feel it is easy, then in mathematics also you will feel very, very easy. Why? Because the same concepts repeated in mathematics. Okay, but there first you have to learn functions, limits, all these things. Last chapter is like differentiation. But we need differentiation in first chapters itself. So that's why In any college or any place or anywhere, first physics starts with mathematics only. Clear? But for you, first I started units and dimensions. Okay, to make some easiness. Yeah, fine. Now what is the next question? Means integration of 2 plus sine t dt. Integration of 2 plus sine t dt. 2 plus sine t dt between the limits pi by 2 to 2 pi. Between the limits pi by 2 to 2 pi. Now I'll write like this. Integration of pi by 2 to 2 pi into 2 into dt plus integration of pi by 2 to 2 pi sine t dt. So if you know the formulas, problem is dead easy. Now see, 2 will comes out of the integration. If 2 comes out of the integration, then 2 into 1 dt between the limits pi by 2 to 2 pi plus integration of pi by 2 to 2 pi. This is value sine t dt. Now what is integration of 1 dt? Integration of 1 dt is, yeah, very good. Integration of 1 dt is, so integration of 1 dt is t. Clear? Integration of 1 dt is how much more t? Upper limit 2 pi, lower limit pi by 2 plus integration of sine t dt. Integration of sine t dt is minus cos t between the limits 2 pi and this is how much more pi by 2. Now I'll bring this minus to the outside. If I bring minus outside, then this is minus. Now what is this value? Means that is equal to 2 into, first substitute this limit, that is 2 pi, minus substitute lower limit, that is minus pi by 2, minus integration of cos, upper limit you substitute, that is cos 2 pi, minus substitute lower limit, that is minus cos pi by 2. Okay. Now what is the value of cos 2 pi? That is 2 into, are you clear? This can be taken as 2 2s are 4, 4 minus pi, that is 3 pi. So what is this value? Means 3 pi by 2 minus cos 2 pi value, cos 180. Cos 2 pi. Yeah. Cos 2 pi is plus 1. Clear? Cos 2 pi is plus 1 minus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is how much more? 0. Clear? Cos pi by 2 is how much more? 0. Right? Correct, ma? 0. Now what is this final answer? Cancel 2 and 2. This is 3 pi minus 1. This is the answer. So what is the answer? 3 pi minus 1. In your answer I given as plus 1. Please modify. Now next question. Integration of 3x square minus 1 dx. Integration of 3x square minus 1 into dx. So 10th question. Integration of 3x square minus 1 into dx. Now remember, we don't have the direct formula like this. Clear? We don't have this direct formula, right? Integration of 3x square minus 1, direct formula is not there. 3x minus 1 whole square. Now expand it in the form of a plus b whole square, then integration of 9x square plus 1 minus 6x into dx. If you expand it in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now that is equal to integration of 9x square into dx plus integration of 1 into dx minus integration of 6x into dx. Now integration of 9 into integration of x square dx plus integration of 1 into dx minus 6 into integration of x dx. I will write like this. Nothing is there. If you remember the integration formulas, we have to bring constant out of the integration. So what is this value? 9 into x square dx, that is x cube by 3, plus this is integration of 1 dx x minus 6 into integration of x dx, that is x square by 2. Now cancel 3 ones are 3 threes are, that is 3x cube plus x, cancel 2 ones are 2 threes are, that is minus 3x square. So this is the answer. Now we'll do the 11th one. Now will you log in again? If it is time is up, will you log in again? Yeah, fine. Log in again.